Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois, where you're going to find over 200 classic muscle and modern vehicles that we own. You can check them all out at MGMClassicCars.com. If you guys need financing, it's not a problem. If your credit score is between 630 and 770, you will need obviously good credit and 10% down of the purchase price. You can roll in all of your list of options. We have a full service department. Rates start at about 8%. You can check out that application at MGMClassicCars.com. If your score is over 775, please text me and I'll give you my lender's direct phone number for rates starting at 6.99, no money down option, unsecured loan. You will find all these cars at MGMClassicCars.com, guys. I'm sure something will tickle your fancy. Now let's get to the next video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this gorgeous restored 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, guys. This thing is detailed show style engine compartment. As you can see there, guys, this is a crate Jegs 350 5.7 liter motor. It's got a smooth firewall. Lots of bling here, guys, so to speak. Super clean. Like I said, new Jegs 350 small block. It's got a TH350 turbo automatic transmission. The exterior was a complete and shell restoration. It's finished in this gorgeous Viper blue paint, guys, with rally SS stripes, all new bumpers, grille, trim, all glass emblems. Dash is all new, which we'll talk about that in a little bit. But look how nice this core support is here, guys. Aluminum radiator. The core support's painted a nice black everywhere here, guys. You got power steering, power brakes. You got the finned valve covers, upgraded with headers, chrome booster, cylinder, vintage air conditioning, belt system, pulleys, chrome alternator. You got the 4-barrel carb all set up with the electric choke for easy start. And you got the polished intake, guys. Inner fenders are painted solid, gloss black Napa battery. Super nice car, guys. Painted under the hood as well. Shows very well, guys. Like I said, the chrome, the trim is all new. Beautiful exterior paint. Factory rally wheels, SS emblems. Look at this, beautiful white stripes. Look at that, how nice that's painted in there. Isn't that super sweet? Let me just walk over the car, around the car. I want you guys to check this out. Nice reflection on the paint. Beautiful trunk, super solid, guys. No rot whatsoever. All new weather stripping throughout, and it's painted under the trunk lid as well. Super nice, really nice actually. Dual exhaust. Passenger side of the car looks great. Nice deep reflection. You got the 6x9s in the package tray. Like I said, all the trim, the weather stripping has all been redone on this baby. Somebody's gonna get themselves a beautiful car that's fully loaded, guys. You got the big three: power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, guys. Look at this thing's, just look at this thing from afar. Let me close that hood. Tinted windows, if I didn't say that. BFGs. Let's check out the interior. All new chrome door handles. Like I said, weather stripping all brand new. Door lips are excellent. Factory pinch welds. Underneath, super clean, no rot. Installed SS door panels. We are not selling this car as a real Super Sport, guys. I want you to know that. Look how nice that is. Brand new door sill plates, buckets, console, tilt wheel, new steering wheel, digital gauges there, digital Dakota, excellent dash pad, tight headliner, dome light, package tray, back seat, seat belts. I can go on and on and on. You got the vintage air conditioning controller there. Beautiful. Let's check out the passenger side. The interior, new carpet, headliner, seat covers, seat foam, springs, the door panels, the suspension again is all brand new, guys. It continues with the 4-wheel power disc brakes. Didn't mention that earlier, but that's what this baby has. BFGs all around, dual exhaust. This thing sounds great. All the wiring was completely replaced from front to back, guys. Ready for pro touring, hot rod power tour, drive it across the country. Have fun in style. Trade-ins are welcome here, guys. If you dream it, you guys know you can do it. Come on. Check out my video, guys. Check out my video. What do you think? If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I'm getting close to over 61,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate you guys. Financing options are available. Down payment starting $6,000. Long-term loans are also available, guys. No prepayment penalties. Payoff at any time. Monthly payments do start around $685 with approved credits. You can roll in your sales tax. Delivery can be financed. Sales tax and delivery can be financed. So please, guys, definitely keep that in mind. Good credit is required. How do you get started? Well, hop on your computer, go to mgmclassiccars.com. You can play on our website today. If you need delivery, please text or call me at 847-848-1850, guys. And we can definitely show you this car by appointment only. Just give us a call. One last thing is, why buy from MGM, guys? Because we own our cars. We have over 200 cars we own. We put our money where our mouth is. Watch out for consignments. All those prices are inflated, guys. Buy with confidence. We're 100% positive on eBay, and we have over 500 5-star reviews, guys. MGM is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport, guys. There you have it, folks. Please call or text me at 847-848-1850. I'll be more than happy to send you a quote for delivery right to your driveway. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.